Hi, this is Lee Harrington, manager with Usher Services, and I'm going to go over the process, quick and easy, of creating a brand new Usher network. Now, this will be part of the free tier, so whether it's commercial or not, anybody can go and create a Usher network. Right now, it's still in beta, so it's beta.usher.com, and we're going to create a network from scratch, and I'm going to call it the Learn Usher Network. You could go and edit your badge design. You could pick any of these solid colors. You can pick start with the solid one and change the color if you have a particular color you like. There are patterns, so let's pick this lovely one here. Or you could upload, if you had photoshopped your own background, maybe with your corporate logo and stuff in the back, you could do that as well. I'm setting up the first user, so this is going to be the administrator of the account. I'm just going to get myself. Now, you could upload a photo, but I'm going to choose to do that from the app itself. I'm going to click Next. This is your email address, so choose the email address that you're going to use. Say if you're going to make Usher Network work with Google Apps or WordPress or Salesforce, the email address you use to set up the account is the same one that you're going to need to use in those systems as well. Now it's going to send you an email. The email you need to check from your mobile device, not from the email client on your computer. So I'm going to bring up, and we got this new email address. New email, and it has a set of links. So one, to download the Usher app if you hadn't already installed it on your phone, to download it from either the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android phones. Right now, those are the only two kinds of phones that Usher supports. You'll do that first. I've already done it. After you've installed the app, you would come back to your email, and then you would click to Get My Badge. And it brings up the Usher app. As you can see, I have a number of badges already installed. And here's our brand new Learn Usher Network badge. Now I'm going to tap right in this area here, and I'm going to choose to use a photo that I've already loaded on my phone. It's from about a year ago, and I had lost a considerable amount of weight. I put some of that back on, but I guess we'll call this Peak Lee, and click Submit. So now I have my Usher badge. Scoot it over here. I can swipe up on my badge, which gives me the QR code scanner, and then I move it to point at the QR code, which I've hidden somewhat with my phone there. There we go. And now I've used Usher to log me into the Usher administration site. So the next thing you get to do is add users to this network you've created. There's several ways. Two most common would be to input, particularly for you're just setting up a test or a proof of concept. You can import from Excel, a CSV file. I'm not going to do it that way for this demonstration. I'm going to go back to user management, and I'm going to just add a user manually, and I'm going to add my alter ego Jerry Lee. This is actually my name, but I'm going to use my personal email account, and my title is Guru. All right. So I'm going to import this user. So now I have two users in my network, Lee as the administrator and Jerry Lee, who I've just added. But for him to get a badge, I have to send him an email. So I'm going to say send badge. Now that's a two-step process, and as soon as I show that this worked, I will show you how to set that up automatically. So I'll get back to my phone. I better just use the fingerprint so I'm not displaying to the world my code. So if I get out of that and I go open up my email, and so Jerry Lee can now add a badge. I'm not going to bother to do that just now. So if you want that to be automatic, so when you add a user, it at the same time automatically sends them. Because I want to leave. You can go up to where your name will be because you're logged in as the administrator, and you want to manage networks. I just created the Learn Usher network. I'm going to go to the properties, and I'm going to say automatic badge invitation. So now whenever I import a spreadsheet of users or add a user manually, they automatically get the email, and I don't have to do it as a two-step. So I'm going to log out just to show you that we have the ability now to bring up my Usher app. I got my Learn Usher badge. I bring up the scanner. I aim it at the QR code, and it's that quick and easy. You have an Usher network. You can add people to it. You can do peer-to-peer validation over the phone. And then we have other videos which will talk about how to set up your account with WordPress, Salesforce, Google Docs, or your Windows login, as well as you could set up with some physical systems here. And in another video, we'll also go over network analysis on how to see the usage real time. That's the video. Thank you.